Dear students, the second experiment of automated electrical system is we identify the okay charging, starting, ignition, and accessory circuit components. That means the wire, okay, then other circuit components we will identify under this sector. So this is the objective of our practical and the theory. So what is important in the wires or any other electrical signal? Because these kind of cables or wires will distribute the electrical power. Okay. So the very important is safety, because the electricity is flow through this to a cable. So the safety is the important factor. So okay, and is weakened. Okay, so sometimes it's weakened and converted to make accidents. Okay, they just think about the military vehicle. The military vehicles, electrical circuits and wires, everything need to very safely and each need to absorb the high vibrations. Oh, okay. So there are in the electrical, under the electrical, automated electrical, there are two kind of circuits. That means 1 and 2 wires circuits. So wiring, harness, and terminal connection. What is 1 and 2 wire circuits? Okay, that means this is the battery, plus minus. Okay, the 1 wire circuits means okay only the wires come to any accessories. Okay, these accessories are connected to ground. Okay, any accessories, all are connected to the ground. Okay, so only one wire give the supply, and here this is connected to the ground. So this all ground data. So this supply is fulfilled by a complete, because electrons come like this, and there is a here this grounded. So it's move like this. Okay, there's a complete circuit by using one wire. This is normal. We normally use daily. We use our vehicles. Okay, they have the one circuit. Okay, one electric circuit. So what is the advantage of this type of one wire circuit? First is insolation time is reduced. Okay. So second is reduce the amount of length of the wires. Okay. So this is a simple form, but there are two wire circuits. Two wire circuits means there is not a ground, not like the ground. Okay. That means in the every accessories. Okay. The every accessories are again connected to the minus. So this is two wire. Okay, plus 2 here, one wire, and again is connected to the minus instead of the ground connection. Okay, this is used. This is called two wire circuit. So what is the purpose of two wire? Okay, what is two wire? So here trailers, brakes of stem trailers. Okay, the trailers means trailers, you know, like the container. Okay, this is a trailer and is connected with the coupling, and there is a container. So here some base in the battery is here. Okay, battery minus plus, the plus line are connected here. If it is the one way circuit, okay, sometime it's all is going to connect with the ground of the vehicle. Here also ground. Sometimes the connection is not stable here. Okay. Sometimes the ground connection not connected each other. So there are some mostly in the coupling here. So the coupling is also used by the metal conductor. Okay, the current is metal conductor. Sometimes, if any condition, dot condition, sometimes this accessory is not working because of properly not connected with the earth. Okay. also made conductor of the has to join move freely rather than the loose joint. Okay, sometimes in the loose joints here, the coupling does not provide a positive and continuous connection required to use the ground return system. Okay, ground return system, the vehicle, sometimes this may break. So these type of trailers or any heavy vehicles means off-road vehicle. Off-road vehicles also, all time the all body parts are not connected. Sometimes the old the off-road vehicles, okay, do not touch with each items. Okay, that's mean the metal parts. So and the type of construction equipment. Okay, all are they are used. Two-way current because of the lack of the ground connections. Okay, the normal vehicles can use the one wire circuit. So the cable assembly, we know the type of conductor. Okay, the wire cord is outside of the there's a insulation tape or anything or covering jacket used end to end for the safety purpose. So wiring harness assemblies. What is wiring harness? The wiring harness mean this is the wiring harness. That means the lot of wires we can connect with each other, and it is a joint. Okay, here also the more wires connect like this. It is like a socket or something. This we call wiring harness. Okay, the electrical of the automobile electrical circuit, the wiring harness also used. They prevent chuffing. Chuffing means rubbing. Rubbing means that means any damage or scraping. Okay, and loosening of terminals and connections. Okay, caused by vibration or rod shock. That harnesses are firmly connected with the both wires. Okay, both end of the wires, while keeping the wires in a neat condition away from moving parts of the vehicle. The normally they are connected each other. They are covered by the sellotape. That is not a proper joining method. Okay, these wire harnesses are used for the proper joining. Okay, the wire harness also made too, and that's okay. So in the wiring electrical system, how to identify the wire? And according to the manufacturer, some wires have a specific number or color or code for these wires. Okay, go into this device or this circuit. So every wires have a tag or any number or color anything. Okay, so to identify the circuit assembly quickly and troubleshooting or any area, identification should appear on wiring schematic. That way, otherwise we have to search the each wire. Okay, we have to do the troubleshooting or any search to find out the wire. So if any proper identification is very important in the electrical circuit of automotive vehicle. So moreover, that some diagrams are given by the manufacturer. So these the Jesua electrical, especially in the fuse. Okay, in the fuse box, you can remove the fuse cap, box cap. You can see the whole fuse diagram. So we can identify easily where the brake light fuse is there, where is everything. Okay, so the schematic diagram is very important in the vehicle to identify any electrical connections. So this is a sample of this electrical wire connection. So you can see there are some tacking here. The headlamp wires. Okay, light contact. Number one, number is a bright number. Okay, number one is bright number. Black red tracker. Okay, green, brown black tracker. There are some numbers. The 14 red yellow tracker. Okay, there is a tracker. So this is a tracker. So we can find the with our manual or any specification, we can find out the wires and easily we can troubleshoot or repair the electrical circuit. But no color code is common. That's not a common color code is here. For reason manufacturer service manual is a must speedy We need a manufacturer service manual to troubleshoot. Okay. That means wire found on tactical equipment. That means in the military equipment have no color. They don't use the color, but all wire used these vehicles are black. That means small metal tags. They also use a small metal tag or code numbers in the wire. That means this is a wire. You can see this is 491, 81 or something. So this type of tag used for to identification. Moreover, in the electrical circuit diagram, you can see the electrical symbols. Okay, let's see. So then we how to connect the wires. Okay, connection. There are two types of wire terminal ends. Okay, the terminal ends, in the wire ends we connect. What are the one is soldered type and a solderless type. What is soldered type? Soldered type means a permanent connection. Because the two wires are there, okay, it's a fusion. Fusion means solder a kind of fusion material is kind of not a welding. Fusion, fusible material. The fusion, that means there is a lead, or kind of not a lead. The solder metal, we put the metal and okay, we use the tool to fuse this metal, and we can join both electric terminals as a permanent connection. Okay, this is mostly used for the military vehicle. Okay, they don't need any socket. Okay, if they absorb the very hard vibrations. Okay, that's why their electrical circuits is very firm. The second one is solderless. Solderless is, you know, there are two wires because of any metal or something, any socket. Okay. Or terminal or barrel, we can use the tool, any tool to deform, okay, compress, deform and tight the two wires. This means this solid, this is not a permanent. We can remove this end, okay. We can compress, okay, or deform the barrel or something, okay. Is kind of any barrel or anything. We can put example a wire and we can compress for a continuous connection. Okay, this is a solderless type. Now the military vehicle is now replaced to solder type from the solderless terminals. Okay. So the electric diagram, you can see, you can search in the internet. So this is the complete diagram for your. Okay, you can refer the ignition switch. Okay, everything is there in the ignition coil, okay, headlamp, and here you can see the numbers, code, color, everything. Okay, it's an example of electric diagram. Then here the rubber grommet. That means any metal part, there's a hole. Then there's wire move inside of this hole. So there's a use of kind of bush. Grommet means a rubber bush or something put here, but they use the put grommet or any small sharp edge, any hose, okay, any pipes, okay. You can use a plastic pipe. The symbol, your industrial wiring, the not industrial, domestic wiring. That's a home. They use the normal PVC or a pipe, okay, for safety. So these kind of pipes or anything used to safety for the wires. Okay. So these are some kind of electrical symbols you can see. So these are the apparatus for our electric system. We have an electric drainer. So let's see about check with the electrical components and identify the fuse relays. And finally we write a circuit diagram for our automobile drainer. Is same as this circuit diagram. And this is for your discussion. So let's move to our practical with apparatus. see, this is our electrical circuit apparatus. So you can see here lot of things. Okay, battery is connect. This is a starter motor, and this is ignition switch. Um, so here you can see the headlight and signal lights. Okay, we have a distributor, phone, ignition coil, and this is a wiper motor. And here there are some circuits. Okay. This is the harness of for the battery terminal, and these are some relays. Okay, this is working as a switch, main beam relay and indicator relay. And here you can see the fuse. This is related to the fuse. You can see the color arrangement. There's everyone have a code number and color arrangement. So according to the manual, we can identify which one is for which device. Okay. So, and here you can see the type of harness. Okay, here the 4 wires connected through the harness. Okay, and these wires are all connected by the type of tape for the safety purpose. So here so here you see the switch. Okay, light. So the signal light you can see, and this is the hazard. So how these all are connected here, you can see clearly how it's connected with the hazard. Okay, these are valves, and this is the harness. You can see the types of harness, how much wires are connected here. This is a kind of harness, and these are the other fuse, type of fuse. Okay, this is also another fuse. Okay. This is the normal simple electronic circuit, and you can see how that this kind of rubber is used for the safety purpose. Okay, and this is kind of material used here, and here you know the kind of pipes. Okay, used to avoid wind in the wires going through the core. These kind of pipes what you used to for the safety of the wires. Okay. Okay, thank you.